Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you my improved machine with some few more steps. And without further ado, let's get into the video. This new step took me a very long time to figure out the perfect design for the boat to flow on the water and hit the paint bottle. I also tried using a hairdryer to blow the boat, but the force is not enough for it to knock off the paint bottle and trigger the next step. So I used a fan instead. But I will have to figure out a way to turn the fan to the boat's direction in order to make this step work. The red box is a box I found that has the perfect height to hold the broomsticks without blocking the way. And the rest are the same as last week's video. In next week's video, I'll be making the steps that go back to a tabletop to fulfill the requirements. Here's the video without slow-mo. Enjoy! Thanks for watching!